Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Thermodynamic says this reaction should happen, but we see nothing forming. Let's solve this chemistry mystery fast and find out why the sulfur isn't appearing. Even when a reaction is thermodynamically favorable with a negative Gibbs free energy, it might not occur at a measurable rate. This means the reaction is under kinetic control instead. Kinetic control happens when the activation energy barrier is simply too high for the molecules to overcome at room temperature. The reactants just don't have enough energy to break bonds. Therefore, most molecular collisions lack the energy needed to react. This makes option C the correct explanation for our missing sulfur product today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given thermodynamic data to find the answer.